Welcome to another video. So in this video we'll talk about the improvements that we have done, and apart from that the live trade that we have already taken and waiting for target. So this is how it looks. So we took the trade around 9:15, which was automated trade. Here you can see. So these are successful orders. So we took two lots of Sensex and it was a short strangle. So short strangle of 82,900 and then 83,700. So at that time I think the premium was total around close to 440 when we entered at 9:15, and this is how it is going currently. We are yet to book that. I'll show you the configurations as well. So here you can see the short strangle, the symbols, quantity, average, and all those things. Live update. So since last time we have added total PNL as well, because live is something for open positions only which are taken from this app, and total is whatever total is showing on your trading terminal. So that's your total PNL. So both are in sync now because that's the first trade and that is still ongoing. We have not taken any other trade, so that's the reason you can see the same thing. But let's say if you are you have already exited from some other trade earlier, so that it will not show it here in live PNL. So live PNL might be 0, and whatever profit or loss from the previous trade, that will show here. So that's the one thing we have done, updated the labels. Apart from that we have done few improvements in this as well. So this is work in progress. I think I'll remove this trail option because trail option is not required, but the first priority is to have shift button which will shift the strategy, and which will be easier for adjusting the trade, right? So that one thing we are working on. Apart from that the trail option also we have added, and that will be so I'll have a box here, maybe input box instead of this, where you can give the trailing amount or trailing percentage, and based on that your stop loss and target will be changed or trailed, right? So that option I'll give you here. In this as I said, shift option will be added so that you're able to shift the strike by certain amount, like certain strikes away, right? So that information you can give, and based on that it will just shift the existing whatever you have entered, it will shift the strategy. So shifting will be like it will exit whatever you have and take a position in next strike, next or the previous strike, right? So that's one thing we are planning to add. Now let's talk about the trade, whatever we have taken. So here you can see at the start of the day, you can see the timing as well. So 9:15:23. So at this time we took the trade 83,700, and then sorry, where is the 82,900 PE. So these two are the strikes. Now after that it took the short strangle, and these are the order IDs. That shows that your trade was successful, and after that I have not added anything, right? So that's one thing. Apart from that trail is there, then account level stop loss is something you can give. If that condition is met, your all the positions will be exited, and this place trade button will be disabled so that you don't take any further trades. That something is configurable based on your preference, but yeah, that's how it is now. Apart from that I'll show you the trade the SL and target. So currently it is not there because I've done few things here, like here you can see with hedges. Whenever I add, it will just add hedges as well. So let's say we remove that. Now let's simulate that I'm taking a fresh position in short strangle, okay, which is 4 strike away, and let's say same, which is 2 lots. Okay, so if I do that, you can see the margin required is this much, and this is my stop loss and this is my target. So exactly this is what I'm waiting for. These are the points that I'm waiting for, and I'll show you that as well. So whenever I place the trade, here you can see, so that data is already captured. So here symbol and current PNL. So in current PNL you can see the PNL, then maximum loss, which is my stop loss 35.14, and then this is my target 52.72. So that's my target, and these are the individual profits that we are in, individual leg profit. Okay, so this is mainly for developers who can check the logs, but nothing to do with the user. I was showing that just for information. So that's how it is. Now here you can try to check the other things as well, like with hedges I have shown you. But let's say if you want to take a bigger position, which is in Sensex, I think maximum lots allowed is 50. So let's take 55. So as soon as I add 55, it will automatically determine what exactly it needs to do. So it needs to do split, which is 1000 quantity max, and then extra, which is 5 lots. So 5 lots are differently placed. So that's the thing, and similarly it will do for hedges as well. So hedges are optional. If you want to do hedges, you can do, otherwise you can disable that. It will just do that. So order 1 for this leg and order 2 for this leg, right? Now so as per whatever we have updated, you can see the margin required is changed, which is I think 97 lakhs for 55 lots, right? And then the stop loss and this. So you can have anything, like if your risk appetite is let's say 0.5 stop loss, and you want to have 0.25 as your profit, you can do that as well, and vice versa, whatever, like target could be let's say 1% and stop loss 2%, you can do that. So these are configurable, everything, mainly just I was showing that to you. So that's the trade. I'm just waiting for the exit. I'm not sure when I'll get, but that's about it. If you like the video, you can share that, add your comments for the improvements and all, and yeah, subscribe to our channel as well. And you can share this with your community, like friend circle, traders who you know and all. This will be really helpful. Just one more update is we are still in beta testing phase. So currently, as I'm doing this trading, I'm testing few of the things, whether the orders are rightly going or not, and all those things. So once that is done, we'll be launching the app, which will be around mid next month, maybe around 15th of August. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.